Hey everybody, Tin Man here. Welcome to my easy cooking channel. What I have here is some 93% lean ground beef, can of sloppy Joe sauce, and a pre-made pizza crust. So I'm going to try something different today and make a sloppy Joe pizza. Okay, I'm just browning up my ground beef here, seasoning it with a little bit of garlic salt that's all gone. And onion powder, and as soon as that's all browned up, I'll just dump my sloppy Joe sauce in there. This lean ground beef, I don't even bother to drain it. Alright, our ground beef is looking good. Let's dump in our can of sloppy Joe sauce now. Let that cook for a minute, and then we'll come back and make a pizza. One of these pre-made 12-inch pizza crusts will fit perfectly in my toaster oven. I did just cut a little bit off each edge just so it'll slide in a little bit easier. But now this is going to be my sauce here, and then I'm going to put cheese on top of this. I've never done this before, but I think it'll be good. Look at that. That whole pan of sloppy Joe meat fit perfectly on there. Now I'm just going to cover it with cheese. Okay, I have my cheese on there. Now I'm going to put some toppings on there. I have some turkey pepperoni and these little pieces of Canadian bacon. So I'm going to top it with that now. Alright, my toppings are on there, and check this out, TTM. That's my attempt at some cheesy advertising. I'm getting a little goofy on this one, sorry guys. Now, a little bit of garlic juice spray on top. There we are. Let's pop this baby in the toaster oven. Okay, I set my toaster oven to 425 degrees. Let's get this sloppy Joe pizza cooking. Okay, my pizza was in there for about 10 minutes and I just pulled it out. Let it cool down here for a minute and then I'll cut into it. Doesn't look like my cheesy advertising turned out too good, but that's okay. Hopefully it'll taste good. This thing smells pretty good. Let's see how it turned out. It's good. It's really good. I think that was a pretty good invention there. Sloppy Joe pizza. I'd make that again. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.